recording. What the?
What a great rivalry. It's all
Look, we're
square.
both in first place.
Hey! And Mindy is doing something. She's playing Kirby's Epic Yarn. She has the magnet set
Start the next round.
right there. She has the mask too.
Junior round. Wreak some
Who's
havoc
Joker?
on your rival.
Yeah.
Yo,
Cindy, you're up.
it's you.
Yeah, whatever.
Draw on their face. Lucky.
What are you doing? Whatever. Let's go, Cindy. Cindy. Yeah. Okay.
Hello. Who are you? Put your head down.
You're taking a video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube.
That's better.
We're gonna wait for that again.
Hold on.
So this is their house, like I showed you. Oh, you didn't show. It's a video we can upload.
This is all, it looks like dirt. Doesn't look like anything. Look at it. What's that? It looks like dirt.
So, guest room.
When I told her that I want to go to Massachusetts Divine Mercy, because I want to go to those places, you know.
Hi, honey.
Hello.
You know what she said to me?
What?
I'll go with you, but we have to bring Chuck. I was thinking, no way.
Huh?
So she is a decent woman.
Okay.
Good. And she is devout.
This baby oil smells so good.
It does?
Yeah, smell it.
Smell.
Smell it. Doesn't it smell
Do you
good?
like it?
You want some on you?
You want some on your arm?
It's okay.
Come here.
That, your rival's sitting pretty. Take him down a few notches.
So, this is the room we're staying in. But I'm gonna stay in with Mindy. Right, Cindy? And Mindy's playing her guitar.
Ow! Monster!
You can see right here. She's on the room.
Special little lady. This is far from the capital.
She has pretty much every single snow item.
But get them to medical help immediately.
One-handed.
High five.
Let's do this one-handed.
What's could be eating fast?
That's all. So she has the midnight set. She also has this mask. Mindy, show him the mask.
Of the versus round.
Yeah, because they like the mask. We should put the mask down there. Pretty cool.
But there can be only one winner.
And the mask is that thing. Put it next. Yeah, that thing. Right there. See that thing?
All to play for as we go on to the next round. Round 4.
Time attack round.
Complete more games than your opponent to
And
win the
you too?
round.
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay, great.
Aren't you excited for it?
Step up to the plate.
Let's see.
On your arm.
Come on, I can't.
You're not even really paying attention.
I got 3, and you got 11.
Lay that cry.
Wow, that's like normal.
Good
that hurt my eyes.
Sorry.
No, it wasn't. It was probably it was something else. I'm gonna do that.
Use the T button to
So Mindy's excited for YouTube. So Cody's, I think. You're way up close than I thought you would be in this video. Yeah, further away. So let's see. I guess it's all. Say bye, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye to YouTube. Or whatever. He said bye.